Welcome, welcome. In this video, we're going to cover user behavior data in the GA4 engagement reports. In the overview report, we have metrics for this chart, such as average engagement time, engaged sessions per user, and this engaged session is counted as sessions where they actually interact with your web property. There's also average engagement time per session. On the right, we have users in the last 30 minutes and the top pages and screens that they viewed. We scroll down and we can see a time series chart for the number of views, that is page views, and event count over time. And you can see the specific events by the event name and the event count. And you can view each specific event and it will bring you to the event report. If we click on view promotion, you can see we're brought to the events page and you can see all the data specific to this event. But we'll go over that more in a moment. We have a table for page views by page title and screen class. And then we have activity over time for users that fall within these various cohorts of 1 day, 7 days, and 30 days. In this last chart, you can see user stickiness with these various metrics. You can see metrics around DAU, which is daily active users, weekly active users, or WAU, and monthly active users, or MAU. So this first metric shows you what percent of monthly active users are also daily active users. The second metric shows you the percentage of weekly active users that are daily active users. And the last one shows you the percent of monthly active users that are weekly active users. In the events report, you can see the top events. Moving to the data table below, here are the event names and you can look at the metrics. As mentioned in the overview report, you can click on specific event names that will filter this entire events report accordingly. So for these events, you can view the various parameters associated with those events by clicking on the drop down for this data table on the right and selecting whatever parameter you're interested in. Scrolling down, here's a data table for the page title and the traffic share for these pages with percent of total along with average time spent on these pages. You can change the page title dimension to page path. Here's the event count by country, event count by gender, event count by sessions, a data table for page title, event count, and the total number of users that viewed these pages. Here's a table for page location, page refer. Down here we have session content if you've configured tracking for content grouping. And there's session keyword that will likely come in from advertising keywords. Your users queried to find their way to your website or web property. If you want to view this report for another event, you don't have to go back to the events report. You can look at the top here and click on this drop-down menu to search for your event. In the conversions report, you can see the popular events here at the top, and you can scroll down to view the event names. If you click on one of these conversions, it'll behave similarly to the events report where it'll filter that report according to that conversion. Scroll down and it gives you the data by default channel group. In the pages and screens report, it shows you the most viewed screens and page paths. Scroll down and you can see the data here, and Google has added a landing page report as well. So these are the most popular landing pages for this date range. I'll call out key metrics you can see for landing pages, including average engagement time per session, number of conversions, and total revenue attributed to these landing pages. If you want a tutorial that covers events, conversions, and all the reports in GA4, check the link on the screen or in the description. So if you found this useful, please like, comment, subscribe, and if you want more content on digital analytics, including tracking, reporting, analysis, we'll see you in the next episode.